Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
The past few days we are working on time calculation, which is one of the important integrated part or integral part of the workday calculation which runs behind. Alright, now what we are going to do, we are going to shovel something and we are going to do something on conditional basis. What if, like wherever there's a statement like what if and how it will be, then this kind of calculation comes into the picture. Alright. One of the calculation, which is one of the major important calculation, which is known as time block conditional calculation, that has been used extensively all part of a work day. We are going to learn that today. In order to create a time block condition calculation, what we need to do, create time calculation. Click on that. Name the calculation. For example, we have a business scenario that if anybody is working on a holiday or Saturday, Sunday, we need to give them an extra premium. Alright, this is the business requirement that comes into our place. I'm creating that extra. Follow whatever I'm doing. You will need to follow that. Once I came over here, I see several criteria. Means, what are the condition? Is it time block condition, time shift condition, time day condition, time week condition? We are going to learn all of them. Don't worry. The business requirement, which was there was anybody who works on Saturday, Sunday or holiday, which means this is a particular day, correct. They have to take time day condition, correct. First regular entry code would be in and out and the tag added is regular. After getting that, where should we store the premium value, extra premium? The entire amount would be extra premium. We have configured this based on calculated that particular day. Calendar day means that particular day. What is calculated? Things. Calculated day is like if you're working from night to day. Night to day. Then your calculated day would be changing, correct? If your shift would be divided into 2 days, correct? 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 Entry data existed. In order to determine that, we select calculated date, correct? That it will calculate which day. Based on the day. Now we have done the basic. Every time we do this. Now we have to create a criteria. In order to create a criteria, we have to create a calculated field. Calculated field. The task to do calculated field is create calculated field. Select which type of field name. CF is for calculated field. Calculated field. CF means true false. You were just checking whether it is Saturday or usually. The calculations will be this much simple. No. I am giving you a very easy calculation because they have lot of criteria. Yes. When we are creating these kind of calculations, right? Calculations are not these. Like regular shift difference minimum hours. How many we will create? Only. Where one type of shift difference or multiple types? Depends on the population. If you are supporting multiple population, you might create a different shift. A lot of shift differentials. That means for the double time and everything we are creating for a project minimum like 50 or 80. A project goes live within the span of 1 to 2 years. 1 to 2 years. But I am talking about these calculations. That means these calculations that count will be total will be around 70. We can estimate because we need to create. We cannot create only one right for different types of employees. Maybe I agree. Can I make a difference? First, let's see him. Whenever our condition is true over here, it will look into this time calculation tag and then generate the extrapager correct easy term. Is it linked to regular? Yes, it is linked to regular. Whatever in and out you will add and hexide and hysteresis. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can we add those tags like under the summary as well? Whatever you feel, because we need to display, write all those under again under a proper label you can display. Now, when I enter two of the blocks, I see shift tag. Oh, there is another calculation which is run. I mean, it's showing shift differential tag in because I have used to tour. Was that's the reason there? The priority came from the picture. Which calculation you want to execute first? Oh, I got it because you gave 15. That's why it is executing last instead of if you moved it. Yes, so I got that purpose. It's very clear. This is for the day scenario. When we are working for the shift scenario, tell me no. No, I want to relate like how the shift scenario works. Shift scenarios work, no, in this particular time. Block conditional calculation. There are different scenarios, right? There are 4. Weekly day, for example. Let's take one example. If you are working on a shift, if you have worked more than 8 hours but less than 12 hours, then you should get a shift premium. but we have shift differential, or shift differential is on timings. Oh, it creates block for those timings. In interest, they are going to ask all these difference between these calculations exactly, then I think I should prepare a notes particularly on these. This is one of the most asked. Part is 8. It happens. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.